Have you ever felt invisible in a room full of people? I have. I spent most of my childhood and teenage years as an introvert. I didn't have real friends, and forming connections felt impossible until I tried learning social skills. I read books like How to Win Friends and Influence People. I watched countless videos on how to be likable, but none of it helped me. And I never knew why, until I studied human behavior and psychology. What I discovered changed everything. The problem wasn't that I didn't make enough eye contact, or that I didn't repeat people's names often enough. The real issue was deeper. It was about my personality and how I made people feel. And when I fixed that, everything changed. So in this video, I'll show you what real charisma is and how you can develop it starting today. If you stay until the end, I promise people will want to be around you, naturally. Charisma isn't something you're born with. It's a skill, and it comes from a balance of three elements: presence, warmth, power. Let's break these down simply and practically. Presence means giving someone your full attention. But most people listen just to reply, not to understand. When someone is talking, stop thinking about what you'll say next. Don't force eye contact or fake nodding. Just truly listen. Be with them in that moment. And second, be comfortable. People sense your energy. If you're relaxed, they'll relax around you. Be spontaneous. Be real. If you feel like sneezing, sneeze. Laugh. Be yourself. Charisma starts with making others feel seen and safe, and that happens when you are present and at ease. Warmth is about kindness, but not fake smiles or flattery. It's about genuine interest and good intent. When you talk to someone, assume the best about them. Let your inner feeling be, I enjoy this person. That feeling silently radiates, and they'll feel it without knowing why. Also, give without expecting. If someone needs help and you have value to offer, share it. But don't follow up or push your advice. Just give and let go. Finally, be honest. You don't need to agree with everyone to be liked. Say what you mean, kindly. Respect others' preferences, even if they're not yours. Acceptance, understanding, honesty, these form true warmth. Power is your inner strength. It's not dominance, it's self-respect. Here are two simple ways to build it. Stop seeking validation. You don't need to prove anything or impress anyone. Confident people don't try too hard. They're just grounded. Stand by your values. Don't be afraid to say, I don't do that, or that's not for me. You don't need to argue. Just stay true to yourself calmly. Power shows in your boundaries, in your silence, and in how you carry yourself. It completes your charisma. Charisma isn't about tricks. It's about how you make people feel. Be present. Show warmth. Stand in your power. When you apply all three, people won't just like you. They'll feel connected to you, and they won't even know why. If this video helped shift your perspective, like and share it. And if you want more on social skills and human behavior, hit follow. This is just the beginning.